Digital forensics.
What is it?
And what is it for?
What is it?
Digital forensics is a branch of forensics used to discover, collect, and analyze evidence of criminal activities found on computers and networks.
Who needs digital forensics? What crimes are committed online or on computers?
People like company owners who suffer from copyright infringements need digital forensics to track down the criminal, as well as people, usually young children or teenagers, who are targeted by cyberbullies, stalkers, predators, and pedophiles.
There are different tools used to investigate cybercrimes. What are they?
Some different tools are file analysis tools, registry analysis, internet, email, and mobile device analysis. There are 6 different types of digital forensics, but we're only going to be talking about 4. Mobile, computer, wireless, and network.
What are the mobile device forensics?
Mobile device forensics is a branch of digital forensics relating to recovery of digital evidence or data from a mobile device under forensically sound conditions.
How investigators catch criminals using mobile device forensics?
Digital forensics investigators can use information stored on and generated by mobile devices to reconstruct our movements, communications, and other personal details. We have 2 methods. The first is bypassing security codes, and the second is tracking movements. Bypassing security codes is when digital forensics investigators can extract the security codes from someone's mobile device using specialized tools. The screenshots shows how the security code 12345 recovered from a Nokia being able to bypass security mechanisms on a mobile device enables digital forensics investigators to acquire data from the device with forensics software. And now, tracking movements. Some mobile devices store location based on information associated with certain media and actions on a device. Digital forensics investigators can recover this information, determine the geographic locations of the mobile devices at a particular time. For instance, the following screenshots shows metadata extracted from GPEG Snoop from a digital photograph taken using G1 mobile device. This metadata includes the data and the time, and the photograph was taken, and GPS coordinates the location.
Modern crimes often leave an electronic trail. Finding and preserving that evidence requires careful methods as well as technical skill. Let's look at the history of the digital forensics. Since the 1980s, computers have had increasing roles in all aspects of human life, including an involvement in criminal acts. This development has led to the rise of digital forensics, the uncovering and examination of evidence located in all things electronic with digital storage, including computers, cell phones, and networks. Information on a computer system can be changed without a trace. The scale of data that must be analyzed is vast, and the variety of data types is enormous. On the other hand, it needs a lot of skill. A digital investigator must be able to make sense of any data that might be found on any device anywhere on the planet. Unfortunately, a very difficult proposition. There are 2 purposes. First, in many cases, computers contain evidence of a crime that took place in the physical world. To continue, the second class of digital forensic cases are those in which the crime was inherently one involving computer systems, such as hacking. So how does the computer forensics work? The purpose of a computer forensics techniques is to search, preserve, and analyze information on computer systems to find potential evidence for a trial. Many of the techniques detectives use in crime scene investigations have digital counterparts, but there are also some unique aspects to computer investigations. But also, there's a disadvantage. Many countries allow computer evidence trace, but that could change if digital evidence proves untrustworthy.
Network forensics is used for 2 things. First, it is used to monitor network for out-of-the-ordinary traffic rates and intrusions. If a cracker wants to attack a website, the only evidence would be the network-based evidence. The second use is for enforcing the law. By analyzing network traffic, files can be reassembled, keyboard searches, and acquiring past emails or chat sessions.
What about wireless forensics?
Wireless forensics is a subdivision of network forensics.
Created using Powtoon.